color is perfect. It's not too dramatic. Like, look at that. Oh. So as you guys can tell in the title, this unit was sent to me from Omgherhair.com. So it's been a while since I've worked with them, but I am back. They usually have what I like to call complete units from this website, so everything comes pretty much done for you. So I did not bleach this unit, I did not tweeze this unit, I did absolutely nothing but cut the lace off and do a same day install for you guys. So this was very simple. This is more of a shake and go natural type of hairstyle. So this unit is a classic brown ombre fitted glueless 13x6, guys. So there is a lot of lace in this one, as you guys can see. I showed you guys the inner cap. There is a huge amount of parting space, which is absolutely divine on this unit. This is a coarse Yaki HT lace wig, guys, and the SKU number on this one is GL0W03. So it does say it's a coarse Yaki HT. It is not kinky, but you guys will see a little bit of that coarse texture right there. Now, for the purpose of this video today, I did not go ahead and straighten it just because I want you guys to see what the full effect looks like. Obviously, it is able to style, so I did it like a little half up, half down with two little pieces out in the front right here, which I think looks super nice and natural. As far as baby hairs all around the perimeter, like the sideburns, I chose not to do it so you guys can kind of see how natural the hairline looks. The unit is 20 inches long, guys. It's 180% density, and this is a medium to average cap size. Now, as far as 180% density, I would say you can go ahead and do 150 just because you get a lot of hair with this unit. It is a pretty, you know, coarse type of texture, but the hair is very pretty. I feel like if you decide to go ahead and straighten this unit, it'll still have its little coarse Yaki texture, but it'll just be like a little bit lighter and a little bit fine looking, like you got a relaxer and then straightened out. That's exactly what it would give, the effect it would give. But I thought it would look nice just to show it to you guys in its natural texture and how I styled it. I think this hairstyle in particular is very cute with this texture. It just looks very realistic, obviously coming out of my scalp. I did baby hairs, just my little swiggles right here in the front, as you guys can see, just to kind of give like an effect if you want to wear it in the middle part. But obviously I did a style on this unit just because I wanted to give you guys more of an option. You can go ahead and wear the middle part, side part, whatever, but why not play around with it? I do love the fact that this is a nice ombre, guys. This color at the end is like a 30-27, I guess. You can say like a 30. The color is perfect. It's not too dramatic, not like a 27 or ash blonde coming out of kinky. So I think they did a good job. As far as the blending through the root, they did an excellent job with the blending. It's not choppy. It kind of goes through almost like a balayage effect, which I think is very nice. So that's one check plus I can give them. Not a lot of companies can do ombre or highlights on a kinky texture hair. A lot of the companies will just do a full color unit, but this is the first time I've reviewed a unit that's ombre style, that's a coarse kinky texture or coarse Yaki texture, so I absolutely love it. I will turn around and show you guys what the back looks like. If you're looking for some color this spring season, but you want to kind of play it safe, safe. I love that it does have the natural dark base at the top and it goes into a nice light color. So to start off a little bit, I think that this will be a perfect unit for you if you're just dipping into color. It's not dramatic, as you guys can see. Looks really good with some cocoa skin. After getting a nice tan this season, well, spring summer season, it'll give a nice, like, you know, 𝐂𝐿𝐿 mix. So it definitely looks very pretty, guys. Like, look at that. Oh, look at that hairline as well too. HD lacing it up, guys. Look at that. Super pretty. Looks very realistic. And like I said, you can go out and do like your little swiggles in the front or whatever and keep it cute and classy. But this right here is definitely giving me a nice natural blowout, nice relaxer, natural blowout. I feel like the relaxer part will be after you go ahead and put the strainer through it. So this is a nice little natural blowout or whatever, and it's giving all of the vibes. So guys, I will leave all the information down below if you're interested in purchasing this unit from omgherhair.com. But do not forget, guys, to thumbs up this video, leave your comments down below, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family, people, and I will catch you guys in a later one. Bye.